Welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for HVLE173. This is a 1997 Lexus LS400. It does have a slight exhaust leak. There's a light knock noise that's coming from the exhaust, if you hear that. Very clean vehicle, 224,000 miles. There was actually recent timing belt service at 220,000 miles done earlier this year. So this motor has gotten a timing belt replaced within the last 4,000 miles. With the miles that were on it, very obvious that somebody cared a lot about this car. Got hit pretty square in the rear. I think that's why we're hearing the exhaust noise, probably knocked part of the exhaust apart. A lot of nice parts on this. Of course, the wheel set will be a highlight. Very hard to find that clean factory OEM wheels on these. Very nice gray leather interior. Forward motors work, reverse motors work, up motors work, down motors work, the back motor works, headrest motors, yep, there we go, and the lumbar, there we go. Take a step inside here. We got 224,757 miles. Revs up nice and smooth. I'm going to take a step around to the other side and, well, first of all, I'll test all the windows, make sure these work good. Good driver's window, good passenger window, good passenger rear, and we got a driver's rear working. All right. Go ahead and do a sunroof test real quick. Okay, and take a step back around the other side. We're going to test the passenger front seat and we'll call it a day. Okay, we've got forward motors working, reverse motors working, up motors working, down motors working, power headrest, power tilt, and lumbar. Alrighty. Well, thanks again for watching. This has been J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for HVLE173. Thank you for watching, and as always, God bless America.